Alright guys, let's talk about rocks. Igneous, metamorphic, and sedimentary. Alright, so first up, the web. Rock cycle, but it looks more of a web because it's not a straight rock cycle. Anyway, we first start with igneous rocks. And now, to get an igneous rock, we first have to have lava or magma. And to get it, a pre-existing rock has to melt, alright? And then it cools and hardens into igneous rock. And now, the difference between lava and magma is simple. Magma is found underground, and lava is found above ground. Now, igneous rocks can be extrusive and intrusive. Intrusive means it's found below ground, which means the magma has hardened and cooled. Extrusive is found above ground, which the lava has cooled and hardened. In order to tell whether it's extrusive or intrusive is because of the crystals. Extrusive has smaller crystals because it cools very quickly, and intrusive has larger crystals because it cools slowly because of all the heat. Alright, next we have sedimentary rocks. To get them, we have to have sediments first, which is the cooling and weathering of any pre-existing rock. Then it has to compact and cementate in order to become a sedimentary rock. So sedimentary rocks can be three different things. They can be chemical, organic, or calcic. Chemical sedimentary rocks are formed when a solution evaporates and leaves behind the rest of the rock. Organic sedimentary rocks are formed when pieces of pre-existing living things have come together. And calcic is just mostly what people think of when you form a sedimentary rock. Alright, and they can be classified by boulder size, cobble pebble granulate size, sand size, or silt or clay size. Biggest to smallest. Last but not least, metamorphic rocks. They are formed by extreme heat and pressure, mostly underground because where else will you find that? Now they can be foliated or non-foliated. Foliated is when you can see the distinct lines in this metamorphic rock. Non-foliated is when you can't see the layers at all. Now, most of these metamorphic rocks come from parent rocks. These parent rocks are what they were before they were now. So that parent rock could be a sedimentary rock or an igneous rock or just another metamorphic rock before it underwent more extreme heat and more extreme pressure. An example of this is that slate's parent rock is shale and mudstone, or gneiss' parent rock is phyllite, granite, or volcanic rock. And that's all the rock cycle. Now, it doesn't have to go from igneous to sedimentary to metamorphic, and again. It can go from igneous to metamorphic, or sedimentary to igneous. It just depends on how it melts, where it is, and how it's formed. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and leave any ideas you have for me down in the comments. I'm still new, and I would really like your suggestions on what I should do in the future. Thanks. Bye.